Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'm about to simply show you how you can set up and install MetaMask on your Microsoft Edge browser. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, of course, what you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Microsoft Edge application. And then once you launch the Microsoft Edge, you'll basically see this kind of interface maybe. And then on the search box, you just want to go to this URL, which is metamask.io. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. So once you open Microsoft Edge and go to metamask.io, you will see this kind of interface, and then here you'll find this option that says download for Microsoft Edge. Now if you opened up Google or Brave, you would find the option called download for these specific browsers, but since we opened up Edge, we'll find this option called download for, so we're just going to click on this option. After that, it will ask us to add an extension to it, so all we need to do is just click on the button that says get, which you see on the right hand side of the screen. Once you click on the get option, it'll ask us for a confirmation, so just click on the add extension button. And as we do that, on the top right hand side, you'll be able to see the extension that we actually just added over here. So let us wait until the addition has been complete basically. So as you can see on the top right hand side, our extension will be successfully added. If you want, we can also pin this by tapping on the show in toolbar option. Now we're going to get on with the setting up process, and for that all we need to do is just click on the get started button. As you do that, agree to the terms and conditions. If you have a secret recovery phrase, you can import wallet, or you can just create a new wallet by clicking on create a new wallet option. It will ask you to basically choose a password as well, so we're going to respectively do that, and again we are going to reconfirm our new password. After we've done that, we're going to agree to the terms and conditions and then just click on the create button. As I do that, this is simply how you can go ahead and then set up your MetaMask wallet for your Microsoft Edge browser. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.